I'm going to brew just a little bit of hot water and show you how it works. There's my little deer. Okay, so I'm going to hit the lights are all on, so I'm just going to hit 8 ounces. I just brewed, so it's making a little bit of steam. It makes a nice hot cup of coffee if you like that. I do find that the stream comes out a little far ahead. If I push the cup right back, it's too far, I think it's too far back. This is only day 2 with it, but I really love the footprint. Looks great with my kitchen tile, and my appliances are white, so it goes really well with those. I have dark cabinets up above and light cabinets below. And to stop it, all you do is push the button, and it's done. It was just about to finish, I think, as well. So I find that it splatters, sorry, I moved my camera, it splatters a lot less. Now, I had made a cup of coffee without wiping, and there were a couple of splatters on it, but if I put my Yeti mug in there, then I don't think that I think it's high enough that it won't splatter. So I'll show you my Yeti mug just a sec. Sorry if I'm making you dizzy. If I take out the bottom and put the Yeti mug in, it's really close to the top, so I don't imagine there will be too much splatter, but with my Keurig, I always had to wipe the white one down afterwards anyhow. So to me, that's not a deal breaker. And the cup of coffee that it makes is good. So I am enjoying my bold coffee, enjoying the footprint, finding that it's functionally quite usable, easy to use. So that's all I have to say about it. Let's hope that in a couple of weeks I'm still enjoying it as much as I am today. Take care.
This is me trying to just brew an 8-ounce regular K-cup. As you can see, literal water. It steams and sounds like a train. And then it does this. Water. Oh, there's the train sounds again. Coming down the track, I guess. I can't get it to brew a K-cup unless I do the bold button. But if I do the bold button, then it fills it with water and then it just kind of trickles over. But it's a really weak cup of coffee because I'm just getting a little bit of coffee water and still the regular water flows out with it. I will film the whole cycle as I'm doing this 8-ounce K-cup, and I'll open the machine and show you I've got a K-cup in there and how it won't brew my K-cup. Oh, actually, you can kind of see right now if you look through that little space where the handle goes if you're using the reusable one. You can see the top of the K-cup through there. But yep, you can see this whole time, not any brown coffee. Nope, it was all water. Then I have to be careful touching it. Oh, it's going to do that again. It's just going to spit out some random. It starts beeping like it's done, but if you try and touch it to get it out, it does this steam thing, and it just throws steam at you. So that's fun. Got to try to avoid being burned. And then it starts beeping, so I'm like, oh, it must be done, right? Oh, there's my cup of water. I guess if I was making, wanted tea, it'd be great. But, all right, now I'm going to try and open this because you've got to remove the cup, See? Oh, yeah, there we go. I got that lovely just steam coming out. There's my K-cup. I had in there, didn't get, I somehow have a K-cup, but I get no coffee. I just get hot water. So, yeah, that's super annoying. And in my book, a piece of junk. Because I have K-cups, and yes, I want to, I have the reusable cup that it comes with, which is right here. But sometimes I just want to throw a K-cup or flavored K-cup in and not, brew, my regular. But the whole idea is you're supposed to have the option, and this is, in my opinion, junk. You can see the water, the reservoir is filled, so that's not an issue. No, I do not recommend this coffee cup. Or maker, whatever you want to call it.
Alright, fourth try. This time I'll take this rubber thing off because I don't know. I can't get no coffee out of here. It does all this crap. I tried it with the pods. I tried it with the thing that came with it. Every time I get my coffee, it's just like water. This is what it does. So if you're going to buy one of these, I wouldn't. We had one before this one, and it was fine up until the end, and that's why I ordered a new one. I thought it was just worn out, but we just got this one, so it's doing the same thing as the one we threw out, but only in the beginning it's doing it instead of waiting a while. I just don't get it. It's like somebody returned this one and they sent this one to me. I don't know. Like, did you send back the one I had? No, we threw ours away. But still, there it goes. It's like water. It's not even coffee. Why? Shit. I've wasted 4 pods this morning. And you know how coffee is not cheap, so 4. Done this 4 times and I still can't get a cup of coffee. So I'm fixing to boil me some water and get me a strainer and pour my coffee through it so I can have some coffee this morning before I lose my mind. Good grief. Oh, look how brown it is on the outside. Wow. But on the inside it's not. Oh, and at the end, let's see what it does. Let me go ahead and stop it. Because at the end it just, all the good, no. This one didn't good. Usually at the end all the good stuff comes out the brown. This one, yeah. Nothing. Look how clear that water is. But the other ones, when I done it at the end, it was brown. Here's all the mess. Look at that. Yay. Wonderful.
cup isn't seated right in the hole, the thing it punches that hole in comes down at an angle and makes a big wide slot.
Oh,
And
yeah.
it spills it out everywhere.
This is going on Amazon.
Is it weird that I'm so excited over the cutest coffee maker ever? Ever, ever, ever?